So hey guys, here is a pretty secret way to make thousands of dollars per month using Pinterest with brand new account with 0 followers. Without speaking a word, I would like to show you the earning proof. But you can see this account earn more than thousands of dollars per month. Not only this man, you can also make money like this if you follow the instructions saying in this video. So let me explain the roadmap how you can actually earn money from Pinterest. If somebody doesn't know about the Pinterest, it is an application where we can share videos and photos like in our TikTok app. Step 1. Join the affiliate program. Step 2. Create Pinterest account. Step 3. Download TikTok video. Step 4. Paste affiliate link on Pinterest. Step 5. Wait for a result. It is not easy as much as it looks like, so you have to understand some extra strategy which I am going to provide you in this video. So stay here till the video ends. So hello friend, my name is Sandesh Deopane. So let's go for action. Simply open your browser which you have access like Chrome, Bing in your PC or phone. I am doing this on my PC because it is easier for you to understand. And search for Warrior Plus. It is a software where we can promote other products. You can go with other software too. I am just doing this on Warrior Plus because it is free and with easy task. And now simply click on the first website and simply click on free sign up. After that, simply fulfill all the information like username, email address, password, and click on a create an account option. It will send you a code through email. Just take it and just verify it's you. Then log in on it. This type of dashboard will be shown to you. Now simply click on affiliate and select the offer option. So this is the place where vendors, a vendor means the person who listed his or her product for sale here. So simply we can find product to promote here. Scroll down and find for the product having high conversion rate and the low refund rate. For example, I am going with this product. You need to select according to your needs. For example, online earning needs, house decoration needs. Warrior Plus is a place where we can find product which is helpful to earn money. So I take as an example. So simply click on the product and read information about it. If it is fine, then simply click on the request approval. This type of dashboard will be shown to you. So this is the blank area where we need to write a note to vendor. So why we promoting this product? Don't worry, and ready-made note is ready in description. Just copy and paste here. Then simply click on request offer. After vendor accept your proposal, you will contact you through the email. This type of email will be appear with you. Now you can promote this product. Now simply click on the get link option. If somebody click on that link and purchase the product, you will be get some commission. If you successfully sell it, then you will get $8.50, 50%. After you sell it, vendor will approach the user to buy its feature. If user buy this, you will get automatic commission. So now simply step 1 is complete. We have the link. Now move to step 2. Create an Pinterest account. To create a Pinterest account, simply click on a web server. And if you are in phone, then simply go to Play Store or App Store and search for Pinterest. And simply click on the first link and click on sign up option. Now fulfill all the details, or you can go with Facebook account or Google account. I will fulfill information and come back to you. Now once you create your account, it will show you the welcome to Pinterest pop-up. Simply click on next option and fulfill all the information like gender, language, what are you interested in, and you have to pick 5 at least. Now your Pinterest account is simply created. Now simply click on your profile and simply click on edit profile option. Now if you are satisfied with the information like first name, last name, leave it. And if not, edit your first name and last name by click on it. And in about sections, simply describe about your needs. You can easily write it by generating by ChatGPT or any other AI software, and leave that pronounced boy. And if you have your website, simply paste link here. If not, leave it blank and click on a save option. Now simply click on a create option and click on a create idea pin option. Now simply open another tab and search for TikTok. And if you are in phone, simply open an TikTok app and search for product name which you going to promote and select the video. So I am going with this secret email system. So I will search secret email system on search box. Now simply select the video with high views. After you find the video, simply copy the link of the video and simply open another tab and simply search for Snaptic. Link will be provided in the description. Once you open the website, simply paste your TikTok link there and click on download option. After the video is downloaded, back to the Pinterest account in your phone or tab upload the same video. Simply fulfill the title, put the title of video like secret email system, describe about your product, what type of product is in your video. Simply you can generate it by ChatGPT. You can fill the detail like which type of product it is. Now simply paste your affiliate link of the product from Warrior Plus. You can also tag people on it in this section. In Unported note, you have to mention the video creator on description by sharing his or her TikTok account. Now click on a public option. Now your video is ready. If someone watches this video, he or she will click here to know information about your product. You will redirect the user to sales page where vendor will convince people to purchase their product. And if someone buy this product, you will get commission like this. You have to upload simply daily 2 or 3 video to get the result. Guys, at the last of the video, I would like to say that there is a free website which promote your affiliate link in free. And if you want to know about it, so simply subscribe our channel and comment yes. So guys, bye bye for today. Work hard and stay connected. Have a good day.